Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrasal verb clean up. It's a versatile phrase with several meanings, from tidying up to making improvements and even putting an end to undesirable situations. We'll dive into each meaning through animated examples and interactive discussions. Let's get started. Our first meaning of clean up is to make something clean, organized, or tidy by removing dirt, dust, or clutter.
I'll clean up the living room before the guests arrive. Let's make it spotless and welcoming.
Clean up in this context means to ensure that a space is neat and orderly. Let's make this interactive. Can anyone share a situation where they needed to clean up a room or area?
Last weekend, my family and I cleaned up the garage. We organized everything and got rid of items we no longer needed. It felt great.
That's fantastic, Tom. Cleaning up and decluttering can create a more pleasant and efficient space. Clean up can also mean to make improvements, often by resolving messy or disorganized situations.
We need to clean up the project's timeline and address any issues before the presentation.
Agreed. Let's make sure everything is in order and the project is ready for the review.
Clean up in this sense refers to making necessary improvements and resolving any challenges. Time for another interactive question. Can anyone share a situation where they had to clean up a project or situation by making improvements?
Last month, our school club organized a charity event, but there were some logistical issues. We had to clean up the event plan to ensure it ran smoothly. It turned out to be a great success.
Well done, Kevin. Identifying and addressing issues is crucial for successful outcomes. Cleaning up the event plan made a significant difference. Clean up can also refer to making a sufficient profit, especially in a business venture or investment.
Our new product has been incredibly popular, and we're going to clean up in terms of sales this quarter.
That's fantastic news, Mike. We've put in a lot of effort, and it's great to see it pay off.
Clean up in this context emphasizes making significant profits. Let's continue the engagement. Can anyone share a time when they or someone they know cleaned up in a business or investment, making a significant profit?
My aunt invested in a startup, and the company developed an innovative app. They cleaned up in the market, and her investment yielded impressive returns.
That's wonderful news, Amber. A successful investment can indeed lead to cleaning up financially. Our last meaning of clean up is about putting an end to criminal or unethical activity, often through stricter enforcement or reforms.
We need to work together to clean up the neighborhood and put a stop to vandalism and graffiti.
You're right, Alex. We can't allow such behavior to continue. Let's collaborate and make our neighborhood safer.
Clean up in this context means taking action to eliminate criminal or unethical activities from a community or environment. Let's have one more interactive question. Can anyone share a situation where a community or organization had to clean up by putting an end to unwanted behavior?
Our school started a campaign to clean up bullying. With workshops, awareness programs, and strong policies, we're creating a more respectful and inclusive environment.
That's truly commendable, Justin. Efforts to clean up harmful behavior are essential for fostering a positive and supportive community. Let's have a quick recap. Our first meaning of clean up is to make something clean, organized, or tidy. Second meaning of clean up is to make improvements. Third meaning of clean up is to making a sufficient profit, especially in a business venture or investment. Our last meaning of clean up is about putting an end to criminal or unethical activity. Fantastic job, everyone! You've learned all the meanings of the phrasal verb clean up. It can mean to clean or tidy, make improvements, achieve significant profits, or put an end to undesirable activities. Clean up is a powerful phrase that involves positive actions to enhance spaces, situations, and communities. Keep spreading cleanliness, improvement, and positive change on your English learning journey.